So this is how you can download Microsoft Excel for free. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Excel. Today you will learn how to download the app for free. So let's go ahead and go to our search bar at the bottom and type Microsoft Store. Now open it up and you will see this App Store. Now what we're looking for is Office 365. So go ahead and type that out, Office 365, and just search it. And once you search it, you're going to want to go to Apps and then scroll down. If it's not here, scroll down to Microsoft 365 and then just simply tap on it and then tap on install. For me, it says open because I already have the app, and that might be the case for you, but if you don't have the app, so just simply download it. Now, if this somehow doesn't work for you, just go ahead and exit Microsoft Store and then search for Office 365 on your browser. Office 365. Go ahead and tap on the first link, and then it's going to send you to the Office website. Now just simply sign in, and then you're good to go. So, how do you actually use Microsoft Office? I'm just going to show you by opening real quick. And as you can see, it's going to show you these things that you can do. Document, presentation, workbook. You're going to want to tap on Excel, and then you can go ahead and tap on blank workbook or whatever you want. It has these templates for you that you can use for free, and then you can edit on. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.